Baba alinitoroka nikiwa mdogo akaniacha na mama. Mama akaanza kunywa pombe akakufa.
Children at these dump sites are exposed to so many things, as I've stated earlier, which end up being actually very, very chronic. You find them with wounds which never heals that fast because of they are not well protected, they are not well taken care of. At this dump site full of chemicals and debris from factories, they will get diseases. Some of these diseases get even chronic, some even can result to death. So I would say this area is not indeed a good environment for these children. We will be seeing lots of them sniffing glue, of which I know has a lot of effects to the young child. This drug abuse has resulted to many of them getting brain damage. They're really hungry, so they sniff all this and don't feel anything.
Natoka Kibira. Nilidandia roli nikifika mpaka huko.
Uko na miaka ngapi sasa hizi?
11. Watu wa nyumbani kina uncle.
Where they used to live with the mom, the uncles, the relatives came and sold the land, and then they kicked him out, told him to go and just go and sort himself out there. So that's why he's on the streets. He has nobody so far right now to take care of him.
Shule, sina muda wa kunipeleka shule. Acha kutembea kwa vitani. Nikuwa kijana mzuri, nisome, nikiwa mkubwa nipate kazi.
Kwa nini unataka kurudi shule?
Angalau niende shule nikiwa mkubwa nipate kazi ya kufanya.
When Mills came in, there was a research that we people on the ground carried out, and we recognized the most vulnerable places. We did, and we found this region. There was a need because street children normally they tend only just to work for food.
How many of you feel that if there will be no food in school, you will go to the street? Because they don't have enough food at their homes. they are able to come to school and then get the basic education which they require.
Vile nilikuwa nikiendanga street, nilikuwa nikikosanga nyumbani chakula, lakini vile shule walileta chakula ndio tukafurahia mpaka tunakujanga shule.
If the feeding program can be given to students such that students get food, we shall not have children in the streets.
It's amazing again just to see the impact one meal has. And the people who are at the forefront of that are the people who make huge sacrifices to get up early at first light, to cook the fires, to make the porridge, to serve the food. You know, in Malawi alone, there are 65,000 volunteers who are taking part in this work.
The main beneficiary is the child, and this child comes from their villages.
People like Angela and India who make big sacrifices to go and do the work that they do so that girls in India can start coming to school.
Mary's Meals is a project which brings together children of different faith, animators of different faith, delivery partners of different faith. It has got a classical or a lasting purpose and effect and dream that has to be fulfilled. We are trying to give hope to the children in India.
It creates joy. It generates community work. It generates collaboration together. This simple meal brings hope.
Or whether it be Charles or Abel, who are you know, pulling those kids off the streets, who are changing their lives. For me, one of the really important things about Mary's Meals is that this isn't about, you know, a bunch of rich people from the West charging in and solving everyone's problems in Africa or India or wherever. It's a whole lot of us around the world walking together with the same very simple goal, that the hungry child receives a meal every day.
Mary's Meals helps in this very simple way, that it allows volunteers, mothers, to cook their own food for their own children in their own schools. It's a motherly, simple act. That's something mothers want to do, but if they can't, we have to do it.
Most of us go through life wondering if we could help, but not really feeling that we can help. And if you get involved in something like this, you immediately help.
It's about a child. It's not about the big numbers, and it's also about the next child. It's about the next child that's waiting for Mary's Meals.
I've got news for you, we all know. Stop acting like you've never heard this before. Blood on your hands, leaving your mark. Sweep across the line where the trouble starts.